Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking into Jonathan Bailey, the British actor known for his roles in Bridgerton, Wicked, and Jurassic World Rebirth. Many fans wonder about his personal life, including his sexuality. So, is Jonathan Bailey gay? Let's find out. Jonathan Bailey began acting at a young age and built a varied career in theatre, TV, and film. His breakout role as Viscount Anthony Bridgerton earned him international recognition. He later starred in productions like Fellow Travelers, the musical film Wicked for Good, and the upcoming blockbuster Jurassic World Rebirth. Is Jonathan Bailey gay? Jonathan Bailey has publicly identified as gay. He revealed that he came out privately to friends and family in his early 20s, and later made his sexuality known publicly. He has spoken openly about his journey, feeling pressure early in his career to hide his sexuality, later rejecting that idea and embracing his identity. He's expressed that being visible as a gay actor matters and uses his platform for LGBTQ+ representation. As of now, Jonathan Bailey is continuing a high-profile acting career while also supporting LGBTQ+ causes. He has remained private about the details of his personal relationships, but has acknowledged being in a relationship with a lovely man. He is also involved in philanthropy and advocacy, emphasizing the importance of representation in media for queer people. So yes, Jonathan Bailey is openly gay, and he has chosen to share that aspect of his identity while navigating a successful acting career. His story highlights how choosing to live authentically can go hand in hand with professional success. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life stories and where people are now.